wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream. Hi kids! Hi! Thank you, wow, I didn't know if you guys could hear me. Hi kids, from A to Z, from east to west, I'm Olivia. Welcome back to Dream Again, yay! Do you guys know what today is?
Storytime!
Yeah, that's right, today is Storytime. Storytime's really fun, huh? I like to read. It's really fun to read to you guys. I'm so glad that you all came to let me read to you Elmo and Polar Bear and Noah and Fluffy and Peppa and Teddy Bear and Bunny. Everyone. Yeah, you too, Mickey. Yeah. I'm sorry, Mickey. I didn't mean to forget you. You too. Okay. All right. Today, I am going to read a special story called The Little Red Hen. This is special too because I've actually never read this book. Yeah. So we're both going to have our first time hearing this story together. Whoa, that's neat. Okay, The Little Red Hen. Once upon a time, a pig, a cat, a duck, and a little red hen lived together in a little house. The pig, the cat, and the duck were all very lazy and would never help with the work around the house for the little hen. Aw, that's not nice. So the little red hen had to do everything all by herself. I wouldn't like that. Do you guys like doing everything by yourself? All the cleaning and cooking and dishes? No, that's not fun. Okay. One day, as the little red hen was raking in the yard, she found some seeds. "Who will help me plant these grains of wheat?" she asked. "Not I," said the pig. "Not I," said the cat. "Quack, quack, not I," said the duck. "Then I will do it myself," said the little red hen. And she did. Soon the wheat grew tall and golden. "Who will help me cut the wheat?" she asked. "Oink, oink, not I," said the pig. "Not I," said the cat. "Quack, quack, not I," said the duck. "Then I will do it myself," said the little red hen. And she did. When the grain was cut and ready to be ground into flour, the little red hen asked, "Who will help me take this grain to the mill?" "Oink, oink, not I," said the pig. "Meow, meow, not I," said the cat. "Quack, quack, 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 not I," said the duck. "Then I will do it myself," said the little red hen. And she did. When the flour came back from the mill, the little red hen asked, "Who will help me make this flour into bread?" "Oink, oink, oink." "Not I," said the pig. "Not I," said the cat. "Quack, quack, 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 quack. Not I," said the duck. "Then I will do it myself," said the little red hen. And she did. She made the flour into dough. She rolled the dough into a loaf and put it into the oven to bake. When the loaf was baked, she took it out of the oven. Didn't it smell good? Then she looked at the pig, the cat, the duck, and she said, "Now, who will help me eat this bread?" "Oink, oink, oink. I will," said the pig. Do you think that the pig would be happy eating some of her bread?
Yes.
Yeah, I would too. Have you guys ever had fresh bread? Bread is really, really tasty, huh? Yeah. I didn't know that it was made out of wheat. It's pretty cool that you take it to the flour mill too. At the flour mill, they grind it up into like a little dust, like powder, like flour, and then you can make it into bread. Making bread is hard. I helped my grandma once make bread. You have to put all the ingredients together, and then you have to knead it, which is you have to push the dough around with your hands really, really hard, and then you have to wait. The waiting is the hardest part. You have to wait so long. You have to wait for the bread to rise and rise and rise, because bread gets really, 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 really tall when it's still dough. And if you don't make it tall when it's dough, when you bake it, it won't be soft and fluffy and tasty like bread. Yeah. Yeah, okay. All right. Anyway, who will help me eat this bread? Said the little red hen. Meow, meow, meow. I will, said the cat. I want some bread with milk. Meow. But she didn't want to help before, right? Aw, that's not very nice of them. And the little red hen said, who will help me eat this bread? I don't know. The duck said, quack, 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 quack. I will help you eat this bread. But all the while I was planting the seeds and harvesting the wheat and taking the flour to the mill, you all wanted to play. Don't you remember, Piggy? You were out there in the mud, rolling around and getting all dirty. And you didn't even clean up after yourself. I had to do that too. And Cat, you were climbing a tree and playing with a ball of yarn while I was working hard all by myself. And you, Duck, you went and you swam in the pond, and you had a nice relaxing summer day while I had to work so hard. Do you guys remember that? Somehow, none of them seemed to remember that part. They all said, we would help you next time. And the little red hen said, well, next time, maybe you can have some bread then. This time, I found the seed. I planted the seed. I harvested it. I took the grain to the mill. I made the flour into bread, and none of you would help me. I did all the work all by myself, and now I am going to eat all the bread all by myself. And she did. Nom, 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 nom. And the bread was so delicious. And she had some jam that was strawberry jam, and she maybe had a little bit of butter, and she had some milk, and it was so tasty. And the pig and the cat and the duck were so sad that they couldn't have any bread. And they all promised that next year they would help her plant the seeds and make bread. Wow. Yeah. That's a very delicious story. Yeah. I like that story because I really like bread. Yeah, I like bread with peanut butter on it and jelly, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
Oh, I'm hungry. I want a peanut butter jelly sandwich.
Yeah, I'm hungry too. I kind of want a sandwich too. Are you kids hungry? We were so busy with story time we didn't realize that we missed snack time. Oh, yeah, Noah, we better go to our snack, huh? I might have a banana. I don't know. Or bread. Ooh. There's so many choices. I am so excited about snack time. Okay, well, guys, I hope you really enjoyed this story. I'm going to go because I can hear my tummy rumbling. Okay. Thank you for coming back to Dream Again. Good night. I hope you dream again. Night. Night. Bye. Goodbye. Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!